Are you tired of striking out with women? Are you feeling lost and confused when it comes to attracting the opposite sex? If so, you're not alone. The good news is that you can learn how to master the art of attraction and become a true girl magnet. In this video, we'll provide you with 6 golden tips to help you do just that. From learning how to be confident to getting out of your comfort zone, these tips will help you become the man you've always dreamed of being. Watch on for the ultimate guide to mastering the art of attraction. 1. Don't be afraid to approach girls. Approaching girls can be intimidating for many men, but it's important to overcome that fear if you want to become a magnet for the ladies. Remember, they are just people too, and most girls appreciate a confident and genuine approach. To begin with, try to approach girls in a casual and non-threatening manner. Don't come across as overly aggressive or pushy, as this can be off-putting. Instead, approach them with a friendly smile and open body language. When initiating a conversation, start with a simple greeting or compliment. This shows that you're interested in and paying attention to them. Be genuine and avoid using cheesy pickup lines, as they often come across as insincere. Another tip is to focus on finding common interests or topics to talk about. This will help to establish a connection and keep the conversation flowing. Ask open-ended questions and listen actively to what they have to say. Showing genuine interest in her life and opinions will make her feel valued and appreciated. It's important to note that rejection is a possibility, and that's okay. It's a normal part of the dating process. Don't take it personally, and remember that there are plenty of other opportunities out there. Approach girls with the mindset of simply getting to know them without putting pressure on yourself or expecting anything in return. Overall, the key is to approach girls with confidence, respect, and a genuine desire to get to know them. Don't be afraid of rejection, as it's a natural part of the dating game. By following these tips, you'll increase your chances of becoming a girl's magnet and finding a meaningful connection. 2. Avoid taking yourself too seriously. One of the most important aspects of attracting women is to avoid taking yourself too seriously. Many men make the mistake of thinking that they need to be serious and stoic in order to appear attractive. However, this couldn't be further from the truth. Women are drawn to men who can make them laugh and enjoy themselves. When you take yourself too seriously, it can come across as being uptight or even boring. Women want someone who can make them feel relaxed and have a good time. So, instead of being too serious, try to inject some humor and playfulness into your interactions. This doesn't mean that you should be constantly cracking jokes or being the class clown. It simply means that you should be able to laugh at yourself and not take everything too seriously. This shows confidence and self-assuredness, both of which are attractive qualities. So, the next time you find yourself in a conversation with a woman, don't be afraid to make a lighthearted joke or tease her in a playful manner. Show her that you can have fun and not be weighed down by the pressures of life. Remember, attraction is about creating a connection and enjoying each other's company. So let go of your serious side and embrace your playful nature. You'll find that women are naturally drawn to a man who can make them laugh and have a good time. 3. Build sexual tension with touching. Touching is an important part of building attraction and creating sexual tension with a girl. However, it's important to understand that there's a right way and a wrong way to touch a girl. Inappropriate touching can make a girl feel uncomfortable and put an end to any chance of building attraction. Start small and keep it innocent at first. A simple touch on the arm or shoulder when you're talking to her can be enough to start building a connection. You can also use playful touches like high fives or gently teasing her with a tap on the arm. As the attraction builds, you can start using more intimate touches. A light touch on the lower back or a hand on the thigh can create a powerful sense of intimacy and desire. It's important to read her body language and understand when she's comfortable with touching and when she's not. Always respect her boundaries and never try to force anything. Remember, building sexual tension through touching is just one part of the attraction process. You still need to have a good conversation, be confident, and show her that you're interested in her as a person. By using touch to build a connection and create intimacy, you can increase your chances of becoming a girl's magnet. 4. Be a little mysterious. Being mysterious can be incredibly attractive to women. It leaves them wanting to know more about you and keeps them on their toes. Don't reveal everything about yourself right away. Leave some room for curiosity and intrigue. Share interesting stories, but don't give away all the details. Be elusive in your conversations, and don't always be available. This will make her wonder about you and create an air of mystery that will make you even more irresistible. Remember, being mysterious doesn't mean being unapproachable or aloof. It's about maintaining an element of intrigue that keeps her interested. 5. Never act needy and desperate. One of the biggest turnoffs for women is when a man acts needy and desperate. This kind of behavior can be suffocating and overwhelming, causing women to run in the opposite direction. So, if you want to become a girl magnet, it's important to never come across as needy or desperate. Instead, focus on being confident and secure in yourself. Show that you have your own life and interests outside of dating and relationships. Women are attracted to men who are independent and have a strong sense of self. Avoid constantly seeking validation from women. Neediness and desperation often stem from a fear of rejection or a need for approval. Remember, your worth should not be determined by someone else's opinion of you. Stay true to who you are and let your confidence shine through. Additionally, it's important to give women space and not come across as too clingy. Respect their boundaries and give them the freedom to make their own choices. Being too pushy or trying to force a connection will only push women away. Ultimately, the key is to be patient and allow the relationship to develop naturally. Focus on building a genuine connection rather than desperately seeking attention or validation. By staying confident, secure, and respectful, you'll become a magnet for women who are drawn to your self-assured and attractive qualities. 6. Create a sense of security for her. When a girl feels safe and secure around you, she will be more open and receptive to your advances. So, it's important to create a sense of security for her. This means showing her that you're trustworthy and reliable, and that you're not going to hurt her or betray her trust. One way to create a sense of security is to be consistent in your behavior toward her. If you're hot and cold, she will feel uncertain and insecure around you. But if you are always there for her and treat her with respect and kindness, she will feel more comfortable and relaxed around you. Another way to create a sense of security is to listen to her and be empathetic toward her. If she feels like you understand her and care about her feelings, she will feel safer around you. Show her that you're there for her and that you'll support her no matter what. Lastly, don't pressure her or try to force her into anything she's not comfortable with. This will only make her feel anxious and insecure around you. Respect her boundaries and let her know that you're willing to take things at her pace. Overall, creating a sense of security for her is about showing her that you're a trustworthy and reliable person who cares about her feelings and respects her boundaries. When she feels safe and secure around you, she will be more likely to open up to you and feel attracted to you.